Welcome to my review of TitanFile, a cloud storage service that prioritizes security and ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable platform to manage sensitive documents, TitanFile could be a great fit. One of its standout features is its end-to-end encryption, which ensures your data is protected from unauthorized access. TitanFile offers a clean, intuitive interface that makes navigating your files straightforward, even for those unfamiliar with cloud storage. You can easily upload, share, and organize your files with just a few clicks. This service is particularly popular among professionals handling confidential information, like legal or financial documents. When it comes to pricing, TitanFile operates on a subscription model. While it offers various plans to suit different needs, it's essential to assess if the features justify the cost for your use case. Compared to other platforms, its pricing can be higher, but many users find the enhanced security and compliance features worth the investment. Now, let's talk about some advantages. TitanFile supports seamless collaboration, allowing multiple users to access and edit documents simultaneously. This feature is crucial for teams that need to work on projects together in real time. Additionally, the platform integrates well with other tools, making it versatile for many workflows. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Some users have noted that the learning curve can be steep for those not tech-savvy. While the interface is user-friendly, accessing advanced features might require some time to fully understand. Also, the lack of a free tier can deter those who want to try it out without commitment. In the middle of our discussion, I want to remind you to check out the opportunity to buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever. No annual subscription at the link in the description of the video. This can be a fantastic option for those needing substantial storage without recurring costs. In summary, TitanFile stands out in the cloud storage market, particularly for users needing enhanced security and compliance. Its combination of ease of use, strong collaborative features, and solid security measures makes it a worthwhile consideration for both individuals and businesses. However, weigh its costs against your specific needs to determine if it's the right choice for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on cloud storage and tech solutions.